First, customize your home screen. By long pressing on the home screen, you can now rearrange app icons however you like. What a surprise! What will they come up with next? But that's not all. You can also change the colors of the app icons. Just long press on the home screen again. Tap Edit in the upper left corner, then choose Customize. The options are endless. Select dark mode and see the difference. Choose tinted and you'll be amazed. Wow, it looks incredible. The system automatically picked up the purple color. You can customize the icons with any color you like from the rainbow.
Watch with me how to customize the control center in iOS 18. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Once it's open, you'll see a plus icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to enter edit mode. From here, you can add new shortcuts from the controls gallery. For example, if you want to add a quick toggle for airplane mode or music control, just tap Add a Control and select what you need. After adding it, you can drag and rearrange the icons as you like. If you'd like to adjust the size of the icons, long press on any tool and drag its corners to make it larger or smaller.
Here's how you can hide or lock apps in iOS 18. First, open the settings and scroll down to the new privacy section dedicated to apps. You'll find an option called Hide Apps. Once you tap on it, you can select the apps you want to hide from the home screen, search results, and even suggestions. When you choose an app, it will automatically be moved to a folder called Hidden. This folder will be protected by Face ID, meaning no one can access it without confirming their identity. So hidden apps won't appear to anyone browsing your phone, but you can easily access them by opening the hidden folder with your face via Face ID. Yes, 3 tips about the calculator app because it adds a lot. Finally, there's a delete button, so you can remove numbers if you make a mistake instead of starting all over again. Now check this out. Tap the calculator button in the bottom left and select Convert. You can now convert all sorts of units, like currency from dollars to euros, data from megabytes to gigabytes, length from centimeters to inches. The list goes on. Then, in that same bottom left section, you can select Math Notes. Now here's the real magic. I can simply write out an equation, like 18 minus 13, and suddenly it calculates and writes it in my own. Create a QR code for your Wi-Fi. Go to the Passwords app, which is also new in iOS 18. Select Wi-Fi, then the network, and display the network QR code. When your friend comes over and wants to connect to your Wi-Fi, they can simply scan the code. In iOS 18, Apple has introduced a dedicated password management app for the iPhone. To find it, search in Spotlight by typing Passwords. If you scroll through your home screen, you should see it as a dedicated app. Tap on it and unlock the app using Face ID or Touch ID. It's not a massive improvement, but it's a good feature. At the top left, you have an option to view all your passwords. To the right, you can view any passkeys you've created. Here you can use Face ID, Touch ID, or even Optic ID if you're using Vision Pro to access a specific website or service. The next option is Codes, where your phone can generate verification codes for 2-factor authentication for sites like PayPal. When I tried to access PayPal, my computer asked for a verification code, and I can use this feature to generate the 6-digit code and automatically enter it into the PayPal login page without relying on SMS. To the right, any Wi-Fi login credentials used on this device will appear here. You can view, copy, and share these passwords, create a QR code for any network, or forget a network. If there's a Wi-Fi network you saved years ago and no longer need, you can delete it by choosing to forget the network. In the security page, any security recommendations from your device will appear here. If you use a simple password, a password used multiple times, or a password involved in a data breach, these recommendations will show up, and you can follow the steps to change what needs to be changed. Recently deleted login credentials will appear under Deleted. If you need to recover something, you can do so from here. At the bottom of the page, if you are part of a password group, you will see it here. You can press the New Group button to create a new password group, which is useful if you want to share login credentials with family members or colleagues. This isn't a new feature, it was introduced last year. Finally, at the bottom right of the screen, you can create new login credentials for a website. Most people do this by entering login credentials on a website, and your phone will ask if you want to save them. But if you need to create something without immediately logging into a website, this is how you do it. Simply add the website name, username, password, add it to a group if needed, and choose Save. Improvements in the Notes app. The Notes app has seen significant enhancements in user experience. One of the major additions is live audio transcription, which operates independently of Apple's artificial intelligence. This feature is available on the iPhone 12 and newer models and currently supports English, with plans to expand to other languages in the future. To use live audio transcription, open a note and tap the paperclip icon above the keyboard. The menu is divided into two sections. The bottom half allows you to add photos, videos, or scan documents and text as before. The new options above let you attach a file directly, add audio to the note, or record audio. To record, tap the red button in the middle and start speaking. When finished, tap Done in the bottom right corner. You will see a preview of the transcript at the bottom of the audio recording, with the option to press play to listen. Tap the audio note to view the full transcript and use the ellipsis in the upper right corner to copy and share it. Additionally, if you keep track of numbers in the Notes app, you can now perform basic calculations directly within a note. Create a list with item names, an equal sign, and the numbers. At the bottom of the note, write the names of the items with plus or minus signs between them and an equal sign at the end. The app will automatically calculate the total. While this feature is somewhat clunky, it's quite clever if you're already writing out a note with calculations. For text formatting, you can now highlight text by selecting it and choosing a color from the text formatting menu. You can also create section headers by selecting Heading before typing, allowing you to collapse or expand the text under each header as needed. Although you cannot move sections around, this feature remains useful.